USA. You'll catch them surfing at the Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Australia's Caribbean, all over Manhattan and down Doheny Way. Everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA.